start the first chapter, the fun they had from literature reader of class 9. Yes, in this chapter, the story is very nice. The students are placed in future. They are surprised to get a book, a real book, because it is set in future when books and schools were not there. Earlier they were. How will children study then? So one nice diagram is also given here. I think the story is so simple, so I should do summary. Tommy finds a real book which has been printed on paper is at the house of Margay. They both take a look at it all together. The book is totally, really old. Pages are yellow and cranky. Means the book was very, very old. In the year 2055, this kind of books doesn't exist anymore. In this time, words were moving and they were surprised to get that. Tommy starts thinking that they are much better. They stands for book because books had real pages. He has found the old book in the attic of his house. Tommy also says that it is about school. Yes, at that time they are so shocked because Margie hates schools. She cannot tolerate that and she cannot understand why someone would write about it. And she starts asking because she was having problems with geography. From her mechanical teacher, it was black, large, had a screen on it. It teaches the students, give them exercises, ask them questions, all in a special room in their own house. It can also calculate the marks in no times. Margie hates the slot too. And because she has to insert her homework every time or sometimes test papers. Once upon a time, her geography teacher was out of order. So at that time, she she got totally nervous. Her teacher was graded too quick, and so that her marks got worse and worse. The county inspector rebuilt it after 1 hour only. He was really nice to Margie. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be away for a long time, but it was back. Tommy says that the book which she has found is not about their type of school. It is just about school centuries ago. They find out how the students back at that time had a man as a teacher who used to teach them, and every time who taught the girls, boys, gave them homework, asked them the questions. They had a special building too. Then they learned the same thing if they were the same age. But Maggie was hurt because she cannot understand how it was possible, how a person could be a teacher, how the students were taught. Because her mother every time says that education must be taught for according to equal age level. Education must fit each child's mind. But these schools are funny and she wants to read more about it. Then this is the time when Maggie and Tommy were called for their schools. At that time, Maggie goes to schoolrooms in her house where the mechanical teacher stands in front of her in the form of screen. It is already on for her because the lessons are every time given at regular hours. She was thinking only about the old school system and how much fun the children must have learning and spending time together. She was just meditating about the fun they had in past. It is written by Isaac Asimov. Now we should do thinking about the text. The important questions are third part. What kind of teachers did Maggie and Tommy have? The first question. Maggie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. Every time they were taught mechanically. They didn't have any human face or human being who addresses the pupil in a simple classroom. Now, second question, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Maggie's mother sent for the county because the mechanical teacher was out of order. It was not functioning properly. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she couldn't do well. Rather, she was doing worse and worse. Now, third question, what did he do? He slowed down. He stands for the county inspector. He slowed down the speed of her teacher to an average 10-year level according to the girl mental status. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled then and adjusted according to the IQ level of Margie. Now, fourth question, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Yes, first answer is almost same. Margie had been doing badly in geography. Yes, this was because her mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. The county inspector adjusted then up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled properly and he also assured her mother that her progress was nice. Now, fifth, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Once upon a time, Tommy's teacher was out of order. It had to be taken away for nearly 1 month because the history sector was totally blanked out. So Tommy had nothing to do. He only enjoyed his free time. He was just relaxing in those days. Now, six. Did Maggie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, she had regular days and hours for studies because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. She used to have Saturday and Sunday off. Now, seventh question. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy says that the schools were totally different. They had a special, nice building, and all the kids went there together to study. They used to laugh, shout, enjoy in going there. They every time enjoyed in the classroom. And last point, very interesting, that they used to have breaks after one or another period. Now, eighth question, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? He says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids used to go there. They every time give homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers, but they were real human beings like the children. Now, fourth kind questions, answer these in detail. Now, first is, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Margie and Tommy have only mechanical teachers. They didn't have to face a human being. They have not to go to any school for any special education that is called formal education. Every time mechanical teacher used to be in their private homes. They can get the knowledge of different subjects according to their mental or age level. They don't have special classrooms where they could go. They just study from e-books, that is telebooks. So they don't require any books, exercise books, rather everything is given on the screen and they used to get homework, feedback, quickly checked work. That's all means they every time have homework in a different way because Maggie has told that she has to write them out in a punch code which made she learn when she was 6 years old. So the system of education is totally computerized. They didn't have any interaction that is called personal interaction and everything is on screen. Now, second question, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think that the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie hated school because she didn't enjoy every time to sit in front of her screen, especially in her room. She had a mechanical teacher and she was supposed to sit every time in front of that completely alone to complete work. She was not enjoying any time her homework as she had to put that in a slot, and every time she used to get quickly checked work in back. She thought when she came to know about the schools that the old schools must have been a great fun where students can go together to one nice building daily, at least there would be outing, they could enjoy nice things every time. They could laugh, shout, and children every time needed a special company. So she was just thinking, she was imagining what kind of a time they must have been enjoying. Now, third question, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Yes, I think, of course, the schools today are more fun because students enjoy every time. First, they have to go to school in a disciplined way at a proper time in nice uniforms. Sometimes some children go together. They go on entertaining each other, amusing each other on the way. They can shout anytime they can enter in their school, then they can shake hands with their friends in a nice way. They can enjoy the company of each other. They cannot discuss every time only academic subjects. Rather, they can share their personal problems too. And next important point, every time one nice human being is with them to educate, to help, to guide, so it is nice because nice emotional touch is there. So I think there are limitless reasons to understand that schools today are more fun than the school in the story because in the story the teachers are just computerized. Mechanically, they are being taught by a mechanical teacher.